How to unblock Chrome Web Store. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can unblock Chrome Web Store. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Chrome and then here in the search bar type in Chrome Web Store. And once you search for it, if you click on the first link on your interface, and if you have blocked Chrome Web Store, the page will not load up in your interface. And if you navigate to the top left corner right to the section, there you will see the locked icon. All you have to do is click on the locked icon and you have to reset all of the permissions. So after you click on there, you will see the menu box pop up in your interface, and there you will find reset permission button. You have to click on it. And once you have reset all of the permissions, and if you refresh your page once or reload the page, and then the Chrome Web Store will load up in your interface. So that's the way to unblock Chrome Web Store, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.